Question 36, they tell you that n is not the same as n. At the same time, we have something equals something equals something. I do not let my student write the equation like this. So we have to separate to two equations. 2m squared plus 5m is equal to 14. At the same time, 2n squared plus 5n equal to 14. How come it seems like I'm writing similar thing here? Which means that m and n are two different solutions to fulfill 2 something squared plus 5 something equal to 14. They try to tell you that m and also n are two roots of a quadratic equation. 2x squared plus 5x equal to 14. So it's what they try to tell you. That's why later on, when we handle the coefficient, we can find out the sum of roots m plus n. We can also find out the product of roots mn. But before that, we have to tidy up. We have to ensure that it's equal to 0. So 2x squared plus 5x minus 14. Now we have some information. M plus n, the sum of roots is negative something over something. 5 and 2, so it's equal to negative 5 over 2. And at the same time, mn, the product of roots is c over a. So it is negative 14 over 2, negative 7. And then what it's asking is this one. So target m plus n time m plus 2 times n plus 2. That means mn and then plus 2 m plus n and then plus 4 here. Now we are going to replace the components that we already find out. mn, that means negative 7 and then plus 2 times negative 5 over 2 plus 4. So we find out the answer should be A here. To conclude, if you find out there is a quadratic equation and then they have the same coefficient, same constant, then most probably they try to tell you that m and n are two different real roots of an equation. And one very important thing is m not equal to n. Okay, if m is equal to n, maybe there are some other roots to fulfill the requirement. So that's why, and this one is very, if you very get used to the calculation expansion, then you will find that there are mn and n plus n we want to know. That's why it is linked to the sum of roots and the product of roots of a quadratic equations.